Okay, so we're on Mother's Day 2021, but we're opening up my dad's old footlocker back from Vietnam. This would have been when he died, September 13th, 1969. And this is his good old stuff that's in it.
Okay, so this is the picture of my dad's father, Jinxie, and one of his sisters.
Okay.
Alright, we're just going to set everything over here. So, a Bronze Star Medal. So, Don, Bronze Star was for what?
Well, his was Valor, with Valor camp, so that would be his first tour in Vietnam, but he got that.
Okay.
Okay.
What is just...
What's all this?
So this is all the stuff he wear on his uniform?
We still use the same belt.
What's that? Was he in the 503 Rifle Brigade?
3rd, it's airborne infantry.
Okay.
Guy behind us was in the 503rd in Germany.
Interesting stuff.
No moths. Okay, kills moths.
Oh, wow.
Is that what everybody put in their footlockers? Because they'd get moths?
He had 7 footlockers, right? 6 or 7? Or
Something like that.
Okay, Don, what is...
Yeah, it's the Armed Forces Expeditionary Medal. Yeah.
So what do you get that for?
That's for being in at that time. But just everyone got one then for being in.
I have one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
that's neat.
Friction tape? Okay, we don't know what that is.
For sure.
Let's see, a gun glue kit.
Oh, that'd be cleaning.
Okay. Kiwi wet proof silicone.
Yeah, it's to clean his brass. You know, his...
Same leather ball.
Yeah, he probably had a leather pistol holder.
So
There it is, yeah.
There it is.
That's his gun holder?
Yeah.
What kind of gun fits in there? It looks kind of small.
Yeah, small. I don't know what he would have...
Because the guns didn't come with it?
They
No.
would, yeah,
I found a rifle
Yeah.
in the footlocker, and then I told one of the adults, and then that rifle quickly disappeared. And I was like, shit, should have never told the adults.
What is that?
It's a
That's a lighter?
Yeah.
Because he smoked a pipe.
Oh my god, that's huge!
Yeah.
That is a massive lighter.
You sure that's a lighter, not a hand warmer?
I thought it was like a hand little like...
Electric shaver? And the melts your...
Soap. Gun slick revolver kit.
Okay.
Fix it up. Oh, wow.
That's kind of cool.
That
That's
is
nicer.
all old stuff there.
It's nicer than the kit I have, actually.
So we have shoe shine,
Okay.
shoelaces, shoe brush.
It's so
The rest of
funny
this
how
is
these
just-
look exactly like they do nowadays too.
Just
Is this like a stub? What's this a stub for? What concert?
And it's
Saturday, August 6, 1988.
He time traveled. Whoa!
Let's get in there. Okay, John. And what have you been doing with this?
Whoa!
Let's see what else. What other time travels we can find. St. Louis University.
Is it like a merit card or something?
Henry Oliver.
Personal check.
Oh my goodness.
All right, Hank. We found the
1988.
source of the 1988. It's Hank's office, I guess, school receipt.
Okay, so Hank's been in this box.
Hank said it might have been his stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Henry Oliver.
There's a receipt from him.
Top Spot Auto Body. Okay. So these would be Hank's.
Okay,
We'll just set the Hank stuff aside.
that'll confuse somebody going in this in the future. Henry M. Oliver, Commander, U.S. Army, 2nd Region.
U.S. Army ROTC Cadet Command.
Oh, wow.
Fort
Well-
Knox, Kentucky.
Huh.
Okay, so that that would be the brigade headquarters for his region.
Okay. So now we've got a
That is, I've never seen. That is
Shoe
crazy. Let me get a
polisher?
picture of that.
That's
This is what the officers use.
this is an electric battery-powered shoe polisher.
Oh, look. Okay. We have the magnifying glass. Another brush.
Okay.
You got a cap.
Okay. And cap.
What's that?
That's his cap.
Oh, that's Captain hat.
That's his captain's hat.
And what's on the side here? A mushroom cloud?
That's
Or?
his airborne from
Okay.
No jumping.
Fort Benning.
Okay.
Okay, so in here we've got Gold Bond. We have a thing. All right, Dawn razors.
It's a whole way of shaving.
Gold wipe.
Oh gosh, yeah. How many times have you cut yourself with that stuff?
Oh.
Jesus. Toilet paper, little
little-
repair
I
kits.
remember my dad shaving. Do you remember your dad shaving?
What is
Well, I
this?
did.
About
I did.
dexamycin tablets, whatever that is.
Are those the pills?
So you might have seen.
Are there pills in there?
Um,
Or is it empty?
it's empty.
Okay. Lord knows.
Yeah. There's another little pill cap, but it's empty. What is this?
Looks like rubber band and electrical tape.
Okay, this is a cloth polished metal. Fuses, just in case. A belt. And then these are a bunch of his patches.
Okay.
Good luck
Wait,
charms.
what?
Probably good luck charms.
Oh, hold on a minute. And there's a ring.
Wonder who's
Brian.
Is it like fake jewelry or real jewelry? Looks like something maybe out of a Cracker Jack box.
I can't.
If it was, I think it'd be a lot more corroded by now.
It's light.
Okay.
It might be silver. It looks like silver underneath the tarnish.
So there's monkeys. I wonder where he got those.
Yeah, I wonder what the... Well, there's some crazy looking monkeys.
Blousers.
Shoot stick. Stripes.
So the green tabs are for leadership tabs. You wear them on your shoulder.
What's that?
That's
That
an
looks...
officer's cap insignia on the round cap.
Oh, cool!
That is cool.
So he loved the airborne.
And they call it the 503rd.
503rd.
No one calls it the 503.
No. Well, they. So,
But you'd be like a geek if you did that. People would say.
So these are just, the rest of these are just his. Okay.
Okay.
This is fascinating.
So these different ones would be like different schools you might go to. Like maybe in Airborne, they make you all wear white. You know what I mean? And maybe the other one.
He kept the patches.
Yeah. So he kept them like they were, you know, memorabilia stuff to remind him of things. And that's got something to do with something. I don't know what, but either he's counting with it or something. It's something that.
Okay, and another hat.
You know what the nickname for that is, right?
Yes, we don't need to talk about that.
I wasn't gonna say it. I just said that's
No,
just.
I don't know what it is. You got my PK.
Yeah, what's the
Whatever
nickname?
it is. Over there.
Oh, that's it? There used to be...
That's it?
I thought there was a uniform in there. James said there was a uniform.
Let me go look in the other box.